Hello kids, good morning to all. Today we are going to learn Standard 2 EVS Lesson 10 Air is all around us. Mine is air. Air is present all around us. It is mixture of many gases. We cannot see air but we can feel it. What happens when you switch on a fan? What happens children? Yes, you feel cool. It is the air that makes us feel cool. We can feel air when it moves. Yes, air is all around us. Air is a mixture of many gases, means nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor and a few other gases. We cannot see air because it is colorless, but you can feel it when it moves. Air has many properties. Let us do some simple experiments to understand. Have you ever blown a balloon? What do you feel in it, children? Yes, we feel air inside a balloon. A balloon grows in size as air is filled in it. You feel more air and the balloon grows bigger. We can say that air occupies space. Now let us take a weighting scale. On one side place a deflated balloon. See, this is a weighting scale. See, this is a deflated balloons. A balloon with no air. And on the other side place inflated balloon. A balloon that has air filled in it. This is this balloon that has air filled in it. The side of the inflated balloon will go down. See, this will go down. This shows that air has weight. Air also expands on heating. This means that when we heat it, it takes up more space. Why do we need air, children? Air is needed for many activities like flying kites, blowing balloons or footballs, filling into the tires of vehicles, etc. The most important of all is that we need air to breathe. Yes, we need air to breathe. That is very important, most important. We will not be able to live without air. We breathe through our nose. Let us do an activities. Close your nostril with your thumb and index finger. How do you feel? Yes, we feel uncomfortable when we are unable to breathe. It is important that we breathe pure and clean water. Dirty or impure air can be harmful for us and the health of plants and animals. Air can also become dirty. Air also become dirty. Such air is also called polluted air. Yes, air can also become dirty. Such air is also called polluted air. Air becomes polluted when substances like smoke, dust particles or bad odor get mixed with it. The substances that pollute the air are called pollutants. The next point, causes of air pollution. There are many causes of air pollution. Some common causes of air pollution are natural calamities like forest fires and volcano eruptions pollute air. Some smoke and fumes from vehicles causes air pollution. Smoke from factories and chimneys also pollute the air. The next point, how can we reduce air pollution? We can reduce air pollution by many ways. Some of which are, first one, for traveling short distance we can use public transport. Then second one, we can also use carpools for going to common destinations. As we get electricity by burning coal, we should use it wisely. Try to use natural sources of energy such as solar energy and wind energy. planting more and more trees in our surroundings as they purify the air. See, how can we reduce air pollution, children? Yes, for traveling short distance, we can use public transport, children, that we can use bus, auto rickshaw, etc. to travel from your house to any short distance. As we get electricity by burning coal, we should use it wisely. Smoke from factories and chimneys also pollute the air. We all know that the factories produce harmful dirty gases which pollute air. Try to use natural sources of energy such as solar energy and wind energy. That means we should avoid using other sources which produce smoke and other harmful substances. Then planting more and more trees in our surrounding means they act as natural purifiers. Problems causes by polluted air. If the pollutants present in the air are harmful for us, polluted air can cause many health problems. By breathing polluted air, we can suffer from problems like cough and cold, sore throat, nose blockage, and diseases like tuberculosis and asthma. If we follow some precautions, we can prevent cold and cough. Some of these are: if we have cold or cough, we should always cover our nose or mouth while sneezing or coughing. We should immediately refer to a doctor. We should never spit in the open. We must always wash our hands before and after eating. See, let's go over. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. Air becomes polluted when substances like smoke, dust particles, or bad odor get mixed with it. The substances that pollute the air are called pollutants. Natural calamities like forest fires and volcano eruptions, smoke and fumes from vehicles and chimneys of factories polluted the air. Polluted air can cause many health problems. Thank you, children.